All right, everyone, come on and gather around. Let's have a seat. Now, as you all know, today is a very special day. And what day is that?
Gift Day!
That's right. So all of your parents have already sent your gifts here for you to open. And right there under that tree is a bag for each of you. Are we ready?
Yes!
Go!
There's something really exciting about unwrapping a present. The idea of someone thinking about you, the mystery of not knowing what's inside, and the hope of receiving something you really wanted. But sadly, for many people, they'll never know what that feeling's like, simply because their families can't afford it. That's why it's important that we help each other. Because real happiness comes not from what you get, but from what you give. That feeling of making someone else happy will far outlast the short-term excitement any gift could ever give. Think about it. Name a present that you got 5 years ago. Can you think of one? How about 3 years ago? Or how excited are you still about the presents you got last year? If you're like most people, that excitement quickly fades. But the feeling of knowing you did something special for someone in need, that can last a lifetime. Time and time again, research has shown us that enriching the lives of others is the best path for enriching our own lives. It's hardwired into our brains, even as kids. A study done amongst 2 to 5-year-old children found kids who gave away their treats experienced more happiness than those that enjoyed their treats themselves. So whether you give your money, your time, or even your energy, never forget, as Winston Churchill once said, "You make a living by what you get, but you make a life by what you give."